Jalagi Iniwone he. Let's talk Cherokee.
The Cherokee syllabary is the writing system invented by Sequoyah. Each character represents a syllable in the Cherokee language. In this syllabary chart, the top row contains the 6 vowel sounds. The subsequent rows include the consonant sounds.
Wa,
Wa,
frog. Walosi,
Walosi,
we,
We,
cat. Wesa,
Wesa,
we, mushroom. We see,
Wisi,
wo,
Wo,
eagle. Wohali,
Wohatli,
woo,
Woo,
west. Wudeliga,
Wudeliga,
wa,
Wa,
south. Uganawa,
Uganwa,
knock on the door. Studi, wanka.
Studi, Wonka,